Hello guys, and welcome back to the channel. For those that have just joined, thank you so much for new subscribers. That is amazing and truly appreciated. It's made my day. So let's get on with it. Again, the Grecian goddesses is the theme for today. And again, 1, 2, 3 drawings with this 4 space for the analysis and to see where the improvements should be and how you're getting on in general. So good speed for all 3, and again, if you need that explained, let me know and I will do that in a separate video. What else? I felt that was a good start to this page, getting the basic kind of structure for it. She was a statue. I don't know what goddess she is, but it's what I found when I typed in goddess reference statues of Grecian goddesses. So yeah, good start to it. I believe it's marble. I could be wrong, but the structure and the layout I was really happy with. The only thing that I wasn't able to do was the hands because I ran out of time. I utilised a Loomis kind of approach, very basic face, not even a face on it or features, it's just a basic kind of line where the eyes would be, just so I had the proportions right for the rest of the body essentially. And then the rest of the body and fabric was geometric, purely because there was so many different shapes within one given area. I felt that was the best approach for that. Number 2 is the same kind of same analysis as the first one, however I felt it was a lot more laid out better from the upper body. I do like the fabric folds in number 2 as well, but again ran out of time and space for the hands over there. And again, geometric body and fabric, and I was also very happy with how it was going. The third one, I had a little bit more time for the hand, but it didn't work out. It just looks like a bag of sausages. So yeah, I was quite happy with it. I do prefer number 1 and number 2. It does happen sometimes, but I'm not going to kind of kick myself over it. It's a good learning experience, and I believe that I'm continuing to improve each drawing that I take, and I'm just really appreciative of all the subscribers and all the views. I really do appreciate it. I don't think you'll ever know how much. And drop me a wee comment, let me know what you think, what you would improve, the topics that you'd like me to maybe draw, and how I would do it. Let me know, and I shall see you next time. Bye!